Hey, today's July 3rd. Go ahead.
Robert is the best when it comes to video.
Yeah,
Everybody check out my new website, AnnRotman.com.
Oh, really? That's news to me.
AnnRotman.com.
I'm hearing that for the first time.
We're over here. AnnRotman.com.
By the way, it is July 3rd, 2019. Where are we? We're at the Coconut Creek Casino at Sunset Grille here. As you can see, there's a tiki hut behind me. And there's tons of people in here, like sipping some beer. It's Therese, my friend. And the tables are full with everybody. In fact, there's more people coming. Fireworks start at 9 o'clock, and it's about close to about 6 o'clock right now. So we have a ton of people coming here, and it's going to be a wonderful night, like 4th of July, but that's tomorrow. Okay. So, yeah. Coconut Creek, Florida. The casino at Sunset Grille, Tiki Hut Bar, and we got some food here too, as you can see. It's a nice, healthy, big salad. And we have another guest. Oh, interesting. Okay, we have to get more people seated. All right, Ann, you want to say anything? They got your website.
We got my new website, and if anybody wants to advertise, we're letting people advertise. I have access to over 10,000 emails.
Wow, emails.
Or more, like 20,000.
How does she do it?
Because I'm a meetup person, that's why.
And Facebook too. Bye-bye.
And Facebook too, and I've got my own emailing list. And we're eventually going to go back to doing dances.
Kimberly Rogers is back there.
And Kimberly Rogers.
Kimberly Rogers.
The realtor
Yeah, let's say a word or two, Kimberly.
She's the realtor that makes you sign an agreement with her. If you don't sign an agreement, she doesn't take you out to show property.
I'm sure she's enjoying her now.
Yeah, I gave you a
Kimberly.
plug.
I think we have enough video here for the day. We'll say my battery's running down. Fireworks are coming at 9. But you know, you've seen fireworks, you've seen them all, but that's okay. We'll take some.